say sound comshetron are too much. It's been too much. Miss you hear Yankupon aduma chedie nasa wo mawu enwosra sebe dina sorry ben ma odi nyansa ni ndie kam onhwe wo tra say yene sa akekele ko odi nyansa any ndie be kam because even in the congregation sorry prophecy abaye prophesying the leader applies some level of discernment in relaying whatever he's seeing to the people. But clearly, Nigel lacks that. Because esi baako esi mienu de bia ye beka and ebi wo so ye kan esi. Si say yen to me nche say ye honhom na ama wo kwan na esi a na say obi hyase ye hye kire na oye bibi na ama na esi. Obi ani wo betumi a kire.
Obibia akwaba ede eba ye fide kese ye esu nyame nhwa mo seda ne da munya ebre ejidwa tin sema ye de ebesom mo na sabre me no wo ekase ede years of openya wo da prophetic hill chapel ano metwe eye prophet Nigel gazing wodin simbi ababetu eye edwa ede efa de course na no da ewo United Showbiz eso no waba clear eye de atwe eye insimo edin sema to drama ye hu se eye Father Dixon ene no akasa na odofo se bia wonim de ekoso over the weekend na Prophet Nigel Gazi take to eye ni page ni Facebook page ene ni IG page ena wodin sembi ekokotu edwa na odin nsemo etu dwa na cheso o react to eye Morocco earthquake a esiye no ena wochumu se asofo binum ehye nkoma yenje eye wo mo endi ewo nyoma bi eho egise esi ansa na eno na wodin nsemo otu dwa na wochumu se wo hunu ade bi a entweye edefa abrantia ne din ede Sheriff Black eho na wo hu se eye ne maame esu uncontrollably na ebusuafo ne enhwe na omo ne wo mo ba no enye den enkasa anyesa oman Ghana ente eye asem from now to eye December sunset our life na ankasa na ye bono is priceless na wodin same way etu eye edwane erezi so much concern na eno na nam so ema na no memenda UTV womu jumedia womu edi eye United Showbiz Miss G eje na egba no one eye na bedwafo womu tina se na womu bobo eye ensem a ekoso eho na eno na Prophet Nigel Gazi de no ebebe pie eye emu ebi na womu edi nsem no etujo bia eche na adwen no the panelist back on a din ede Yeboah making some comments and I say or the some utterances speak to you. It didn't sit well with a Prophet Nigel Gazi. Now through the process, no, they had a phone in call with a Prophet Nigel Gazi. Now Prophet Nigel Gazi a prophecy no imuno and I watch you more SM. Said the Ghana for be no more can and a black sheriff and a black sheriff no when who black sheriff name Sheriff Black. Sheriff Black ena wo hu ye na se de wode ensem no etu dwa no eba na chese wone wo mo etwetwe nkomo ewo phone eso no sei ena wode ne ensem no etu dwa wo say with prophecies we see and prophesy in Brit. I didn't hear Black Sheriff, I heard Sheriff Black. I saw Sheriff Black in the spirit, but whichever way it is, a sensible person can make deductions from it. Prophecies come figuratively. So if there is anything close to anything about or close to me, I can take steps. It is better safe than sorry. And people in the act after anything is said about them have often attacked the clergy. And only somebody to a year edra. Na ninsamunum nam soma a Yeboah. Now what a UTV show no so no making some comments I will say the software can who say or describing her as a yes senseless and childish sana a Yeboah no adding a submission to a year and none and a Prophet Nigel Gazi able if we year and as or react yet to a year the Yeboah eka no say this is the reason I don't speak to issues when you call me. If I was your pastor, you wouldn't say these things about me. You won't allow that young girl to disrespect me like she is doing. She is speaking her mind, but she shouldn't disrespect me. I don't think she can speak about her pastor the way she is speaking to me. And Miss G, you have given her the platform to disrespect me. Give honor to whom honor is due. don't be mischievous with the greatest of respect. She's disrespecting me. How can you tell me, a pastor, somebody's father? That one is senseless. Don't call me Nigel on this platform. I have people like her in my church who call me father. She's not a Muslim, she is a Christian. If I were her pastor, can she say that? You don't let anyone disrespect or discredit me. If she has a problem with me, I don't know her, I won't take that. No, any a prophet Nigerian so much as what they to a year a jam a war a one or more, and just a cocoa and some even when say, Miss Jean so no, or the Monsampa neighbor, just say. Ni dwumadie a wodie ewo UTV United Showbiz so no ene se enye ne panelist no ne nya asema na chese ne other people na dodo na hu ne se eba ne nsentwe adwuma na se presentation dia eno de sa na ebekọ eso na order for yen sembre no yenko hwe a short side of the story the making kind yenko ti kakra de course no ewo UTV United Showbiz so emba na yeba Prophet Nigerian nsem a sabre wode aba beto ho no mo de afa issue a course Saturday no eno so yaka ho asem de atremo.
Honestly, Nigel dear, so din kwala asem.
Oh, Prophet mo.
Yes. Because asema o kan ye no. Ene nkrase a obema wa ha na ababi anim, in my opinion. Mitie dia okana, it doesn't make any sense to me. Even spiritually, it doesn't make sense. Because yanina yeti krom ha no, nipa baako ne enim se waji din a amanfo nim na yenim se friend Black Sheriff. Obetena ha I mean all lines so awubusa the question. He couldn't even admit say is this same person. But yet you are going on saying say my prophecy we say yehu bibi. Say why na ekwa yehu bibi. Sheriff Black na wo kan no. Eya why? Nipa dodo ahene from Sheriff ewo Ghana ha wo magigi na yehu omo. Because if this person you are talking about is not popular, why then put it on social media? What are we to say no okay, ye mo mpa ye ko bon mpa ya ma wan. Wana Sheriff Black no ye hwan ye ni me no kasa no say ye mu asofo ne adwuma a wo mo ye wo krom ha ebe ha the fact ye bebu sofo nkire se be wo kan asem ne ehu tokro wo ma ye mbusaw. The fact say wo kan asem no nkire se be ye nso ye tie eche ne tie wo asem na wo kan no na say it doesn't make sense ye ntutu tokro wo hu musaw. Enne no religion any sanye manema no ye de akekere ye ya ma ye ema edi hu eba be hye because asema woken abrantie otu kwan o ye adwuma mpacho mo be kan last week ahaya na em say Black Sheriff video bi a enu kra like I said in sanity and he said something about people have been coming at our neck and stuff like that. Me jidi say no na wo gina so no this prophecy we aba because asema wo kan no abebia ni mu mame me jidi say Black Sheriff asema wo kan last week no and Nigel gaze the person was trendy and wa be gina so dia be kan yoka because what trust our prophecy we ni na we hear what Jabez cry at 8 p.m. What are you advertising? Do you get my point? I feel say sound come shetrono are you too much. It's been too much. Miss G here Yankopon adoma chedie na se wo ma wo enwosra se be di na sorry mba ni ma odi nyansa ni nim de ka ho on hwe wo tra se ye ne sa akeke ne ko odi nyansa any nim de be ka because even in the congregation sorry prophecy about here prophesying the leader applies some level of discernment in relaying whatever he's seeing to the people. But clearly, Nigel lacks that. Because esi baako esi mienu de bia ye beka ene bi wo ho so ye ka esi si say ye ntumi nche say ye honhom na ama ho kwan na esi ana say obi hyase hye kire na oye bibi na ama na esi obi ani wo betumi a kire Paul ka asem bi Bible mu say me ye akwala no na me ye ma ade say akwala menyi no me ye ma ade say peni se me de enkwala asem ene nkwala yi ano no de ba ha sei no eya yampia no betoto ye asem o kan ye no nyanse bia ni mu mame baby a mimiti because Sheriff Black Miss Ju ni mo be a friend Sheriff Black and am pacho obi ni mo be a friend Sheriff Black awagidin no ye na ye nim say Black Sheriff asem no person o kan and somewhere last year I think say abai no de bibi ba say saa nyema na yeka e Henderson in fact say fear ye de fear and panic enti e was say to nsafre no na obeyi ano no kire baabi a ohun ye because the moment I wo say wo de wani ehun so say odan no hu
Cherry black
to boase o so odan no hu ye mebo a ti wo dan na ohun yanke wo say o ma ne ka ho a the moment I ba be ka no say no
2 times
okay I know what tema moto wait so no san ho no ohun ni 2 times so long as went to me and find show ko to dwem a wo be kan ye ne je say wo de aba physical enti e wose e friend no be ya no kire na wo nim trick a wo play the all ye ne say Sheriff Black na waka na e ba ne critical na aban friend so wo be ya no betumi aka say me nka Black Sheriff here and really then na betumi aye no so see Sheriff Black
na say pon kan Black Sheriff
and na me person me kire say why ne nim wo si onipa no ye star
no so yes star
wo si onipa no ye star or ye popular ye nya hu bibi ma no enti say me nam na say kwadwo eton PK e wo no rekwan ma na mate so osofo bi say na minim kwadwo bi so no so ye nipa titiriw e wo oman mu a wagidin obi aboje ne so na osofo bi ba kwadwo be na ne ho adwen be ba otim first dia wagidin de otenam kwan wo ton PK minim ne ba bia
ano de nkasa ola nkasa mate say Prophet Nigel ababak so person okasa Prophet mpasho mema just 1 minute because I say nkofo bebre nkasa into me strawa so betimi abonito farmer me in 1 minute e be me de pa thank you very much.
Yeah, amazing.
Yes, Prof.
Yes, please, with the great answer, you can't give me 1 minute.
Me pa ocho what?
Father say, good evening again to you and your person. You see, I think that this is the reason why I'm more free. I'm main person Mikasa. If I'm your pastor, you will not allow that young girl to disrespect me like she's disrespecting me. Somebody talk to you. Amazing.
Me pa ocho na dream.
No, all na dream should not disrespect me.
I am not disrespecting you.
Listen to me.
Listen.
She doesn't know me. Watch me, please. I don't know her. Listen. I'm friend me. I will not talk. She can obey to me accent and nudging without not disrespecting me. Because I don't think the way she's speaking about me, she can speak to a pastor like that. I don't think she can do that. Amazing. You are there and you are giving that space to disrespect me.
Oh, I didn't give her face to the...
You don't call me Nigel on this big platform. You should give Anna to him. Anna.
So
next time you call me, I say I will not talk. You people should understand me. This is what people
now,
do.
Me pa also a prophet.
Anna, she was calling me Nigel. I have people like her in my church who calls me father.
We are sorry, father.
Please,
we are sorry, prophet.
Don't be mischievous. With the greatest of respect. You understand? Don't be mischievous. When you do this, you people invite us, you call me. I will not speak to any issue. She is disrespecting me. She cannot talk to me or talk to a pastor the way she's speaking. Me ke bibia ye beka se sofo no enye, but ye won need die man need die efeno. To tell Obi Papa to say nia make nyansa semu on such a platform. Can she say that to a pastor? She's not a Muslim, she's a Christian. If I was a direct pastor, can she say that? Can she say that? Please, can she say, if you come to my church, will you allow that somebody should speak to me like that? That is why I'm offering Mr. Main Casano. I spoke because of relationship. So you don't let anybody disrespect me, discredit me. And if she has a problem with me, I don't know her. So please, I will not take that. I won't take that. Thank you.
Do you want to retract?
Yes. I'm not retracting anything. I mean everything I said.
For prophets account.
Okay. Prophet Nigel. O kasa no kan asem bi say me pastor metumi ne na kasa sa. Say sebio me pastor di nsem hunu metumi aka akere no. Fact. Me mbegina ha mbe won wan fa. You see, this is what you people do in the churches. And you make and then ma bebre wo ho a omo besi omo kununum kwasea na omo hu omo sofo so obrempon. Because ye hu ne sese wo ye nyame nipa wo di nyame ye se nyame nwusra wo hu na se bi wo di wo ye nsem bi a ense na mfata eni se e catch up because o nyame nwusra wo so no
me pacho o a man of God our professor bebre abemunti me pacho prophets we are sorry
the person e train say Nigel be professor ide bia
Prophet Nigel.
Okay, Prophet Nigel papa, very sorry.
Thank you.
Say Prophet Nigel prophesy ide bia na de bi obewunti onu de ohun ade papa mfa obi ahu da na Come on.
Yo, that's a question for another day.
Yo abusuafo ene se de mo ankasa makwakotie bi ewo masomo ede aba eno no na no pay yesore ya na twese Prophet Nigel aba eye ni page so ede nsem bi abetu ejia na ne nsem no sei na wode eba wose to the inbox messages, direct calls and other medium to show love. Some discussed at the happening over the weekend on UTV. Some discussed at the happening over the weekend on UTV. Father Dixon, whom I hold in high regard, has called to talk to me. So let sleeping dogs lie. The happening will guide me in my future endeavor, and as a servant of God, I must always walk in love and forgiveness. I am very aware of the grace and the mantle I carry, and it is corresponding occupational hazard. So to my friends and others, always pray for me. To those who criticize at all costs, even spiritual stuff, be assured the best is yet to come. We love you. Nobody becomes great without a scar. The prophetic ministry comes with attack, but the greater grace is available. Jehovah. He is the strength of our life. And it is what they to Adriana hashtag Jabez cry PNG. And no any a year response as Sabri Prophet Nigel de aba wo hune sem de e course so e wo eye UTV that was on Saturday na entwa ye nkofo bebre na afre no omo ma testing so atteste eye no concerning eye the issue how the lady spoke ne de ka eye ho o chima na chese Father Jackson afre no woni na kasa nti na chese ene omoma etu enkonkotwe de da na bibia enye den ento eye na akwemsan se papa no anase panyin no ene nakasa ehu hia so be eye hodi any grudges nyame nipa so de wode aye asumdwe na eba na mum onfa empapa mu ema nti se echo papa waje ede atum na so no we beboa no ama na tutu eye na namo ede esi eye yi na therefore how do you see the response of Yeboah on the comment and also on the issue at hand? Said you make it a submission a year United Showbiz no as on the saying and I won't know isi ever in connection to say Prophet Nigel and so can say or no say the no Sheriff Black name any black sheriff now was also the betu a say a sensible person will know how to make deduction of it no then I will not so all pay a day actually or combine these two the response and their actions and stuff no cambo eye one. What is your thoughts on the issue? Saying I want to no is see a day ever. Ebinom ho say the way and mode of communication said they dan make asofo no efa so communicate to musicians and I say or more communicate to artists and I say public figures no eno hu ni se entwa yie eno nti no mu hu how a omo ebe rebrand eye wo mo ana so mbe restructure eye wo mo enoma ese e dia fasen na wo so hu adwenche no fabra ebe sumi media eni akua sikapa makram